Good evening, teacher Alfonso Scopari, Trujillo. My name is Joana Patricia Pescador Hernandez, bachelor degree student in child pedagogy, 6th semester, and in relation to the task about my desires, I will begin by mentioning some of them and that are very significant in my personal and professional training. I want to finish my bachelor's degree and continue with my master's degree. I want to have another baby and for my relationship to work as before. I want to be financially stable and pay my debts. I wish my family to be in very good health. I want to finish building my house and get a car. Thank you.